Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a quadratic equation, and we're told that in the graph of this equation, the vertex of the parabola is the point CD. We're asked which of the following is equal to D, where D is the y value of the vertex. So the first thing we can do is we can find the x value. We can do that given that we have these two factors, x minus 2 and x plus 4. If we set these equal to 0, we get x is equal to 0 plus 2 is 2, and x is equal to 0 minus 4 is negative 4. And these are the two x-intercepts of the graph, right? So we have 2, 0, and negative 4, 0. And the x value of the vertex is going to be halfway between these. So 2 plus negative 4 over 2, right? This is the average between them. So we have 2 minus 4 over 2, which is negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. Just for, a quick visualization of this, if we just have a random parabola, you'll notice the vertex is going to be halfway in between the two x-intercepts when you're looking at it in the x direction, right? Another one right here. Again, these graphs aren't perfect, but you'll see the vertex is halfway between. So that's how we get that the x value of the vertex, which is C, is negative 1. How would we find D? Well, plug in negative 1 for x, and you'll get a y value which correlates with D. So we have y is equal to a times negative 1 minus 2, plugging in negative 1 for x, times negative 1 plus 4. This is going to be equal to a times negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3, negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3, and this is going to be negative 3 times 3 is negative 9a. And this is going to be your value of D. So which of the following is equal to D, negative 9a, which is answer A. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.